Hey, Bryan Young, ProTinker Toys. This is one of our new exclusives, and these will be shipping in the end of January. And this is a Finn's, basically 1955 Bel Air, which was probably the most popular car ever made. Well, maybe the Beetle. Okay, so this is these are our new exclusives. We're having 3 every 3 months, and it comes in these beautiful little boxes, and they're tie strapped. You gotta be kidding. I just pulled the car out and lost the spring. Oh my goodness gracious. But no fear. Make sure you follow me. Okay, so we have come up with a new item that we're gonna be selling, and they are in our deluxe pit kit cases, and these are coming soon. Basically, you can get all of your components that you need in these little tiny plastic containers. And so now all I need to do is go to extraction brushes right here, commutator springs right here. No, we need shoe springs. That's right, shoe springs. Look at that, extraction shoe springs. I got them all labeled, and when you get them, they'll come with labels inside. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to put this guide shoe back on. I should have a pair of tweezers, but I'm gonna try this without tweezers. Yeah, why I had to do this is because these things right here are the tie straps, and I did it wrong. I kind of rushed it, and I broke them. See that? Look at that. You can hardly see that they're doubles. So what happened is I pulled the shoe. When I pulled it out of the case, I wasn't watching what I was doing, basically. I kind of was getting excited. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. You want to see this. Okay. So those are the 2 shoes, the guide shoes. And see, when it comes in the box, these things are wrapped like this, and they're held down on this case. And so when you take this off, you want to be careful that you don't pull it off like I just did. And this is the 55 Bel Air. It says Goodyear on it. Now, you know it's a Bryan Young ProTinker exclusive when it has the Betsy Ross flag on the back. Okay, only my cars have that. And they have Goodyear on them, okay? All right, so let's try this. This is an extraction. I cleaned this whole track. I mounted all my tanks, so the tanks do not move now. Everything is fixed. I replaced the squeeze with just a squeeze track. And we'll stop over there for you so they can get a good look at it on the track. And that is, this item is SC7980, and you can buy these right now. These are available for sale right now. We only have 1,000 of them, okay? That's all there is. On this layout is just beautiful for demoing cars. You know, I cleaned this whole track about an hour ago, and I've been running these cars nonstop. And of course, when the camera's on, they want to stop. I mean, I don't understand it.
Hey, why me?
It never fails. You know what's funny about the Bel Air? It just has a beauty look. And you know, I had a lady come in the store, told me that she had a 55 4-door Bel Air. And I said, no, I don't think they made it. And they did. She said, I had one. That'd be cool to have them do a 4-door Bel Air. See, the 2-door is popular because most of them were made, and a lot of your kids got them or had them. Boy, I'm just running all around, aren't I? And that is 7980. 7980. We're gonna keep this. We'll keep this out like this in our, what do you call it?
Shelf queen.
Shelf queen, or whatever terminology that is, where you come up with this. Anyways, I'll set this right here so you can see that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell button.